Improving soil health can suppress locust damage and double crop yields. Locust outbreaks remain one of the most destructive forces in agriculture, capable of eliminating crops across entire regions in a matter of days. New field research from Senegal now shows that a surprisingly simple intervention, improving soil nitrogen content, can sharply reduce locust feeding while simultaneously increasing crop yields. By altering the nutritional composition of plants, healthier soil made crops less attractive to locusts and cut damage enough to double harvests. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to turn notifications on so you keep getting all the major advancements in science and technology. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. The findings suggest that managing soil chemistry may be a powerful, locally controlled tool for reducing pest pressure, offering an alternative to chemical pesticides in regions vulnerable to recurring infestations. A persistent global threat. Although locust swarms are often associated with historical plagues, they remain an active and growing threat today. Swarms can cover hundreds of square miles and devastate food systems, livelihoods, and regional economies. In many communities, repeated outbreaks undermine long-term stability, limiting educational opportunities and economic growth. Ariane Cease, who leads the Global Locust Initiative at Arizona State University, studies the ecological and behavioral mechanisms that allow locust populations to erupt into destructive outbreaks. Her work approaches locusts not simply as pests, but as organisms responding predictably to environmental conditions that can potentially be managed. From lab insight to real farms, previous laboratory experiments and ecological observations suggested that soil quality influences how locusts feed, but the idea had never been rigorously tested under real farming conditions. To address this gap, Cease and her collaborators partnered with farming communities in Senegal that regularly experience outbreaks of the Senegalese grasshopper, a locust-like species that causes chronic damage through frequent smaller-scale infestations. In collaboration with local farmers, researchers designed a simple side-by-side field experiment. Each participating farmer planted 2 plots of millet, one grown in nitrogen-enriched soil and one left untreated. The results were striking. Crops grown in fertilized soil consistently hosted fewer grasshoppers, suffered less leaf damage, and produced harvests that were roughly twice as large as those from untreated fields. Why soil nutrients shape locust behavior. The underlying mechanism lies in plant nutrition. Crops grown in nutrient-poor soils tend to accumulate carbohydrates while remaining low in protein. This imbalance creates an ideal diet for locusts, which rely on carbohydrate-rich food to fuel sustained movement and reproduction. Cease describes this phenomenon as a carbohydrate bias, or donut diet. Much like endurance athletes, locusts thrive on energy-dense, carb-heavy diets that allow them to travel long distances and maintain large populations. In contrast, plants grown in nitrogen-rich soils contain higher levels of protein and fewer carbohydrates. While this improves crop quality for humans, it creates a metabolic problem for locusts. Excess protein is difficult for them to process efficiently, limiting their ability to extract usable energy and reducing feeding success. Field evidence of pest suppression. To test whether this nutritional shift could suppress locust damage in practice, researchers monitored locust numbers, leaf damage, and yields across 100 paired plots throughout the growing season. Measurements were taken multiple times to capture changes over time, and harvest weights were recorded at the end of the season. The pattern was consistent across farms. Nitrogen-treated plots attracted fewer grasshoppers, experienced significantly less defoliation, and produced substantially higher yields. Importantly, the team found no evidence that improving soil nitrogen increased damage from other pests. The study, led by Mamour Touré of Université Gaston Berger in Senegal and published in Scientific Reports, represents the first large-scale demonstration that soil management alone can reduce locust pressure under real agricultural conditions. Moving towards sustainable solutions, while nitrogen fertilizer was used in the study, the researchers emphasized that long-term success depends on sustainable and affordable practices. Synthetic fertilizers are often inaccessible or economically unrealistic for smallholder farmers. Follow-up work has therefore focused on composting, using locally available organic materials to enrich soil. Early results indicate that compost-based approaches produce similar reductions in grasshopper damage while improving long-term soil health. According to Tour, farmers involved in the project have already changed their practices, replacing crop residue burning with composting, both reducing pest pressure and improving land productivity. Why this research matters beyond Africa. The United States currently has no native locust species, but that may not always be the case. Climate modeling suggests that regions such as Texas could become suitable for locusts within the next decade or two. Even without true locusts, grasshoppers already pose serious threats to rangelands across the western U.S. The U.S. Department of Agriculture identifies a group of species known as the dirty dozen grasshoppers as among the most damaging pests to grazing land, capable of stripping vegetation and competing directly with livestock. Chemical pesticides remain the primary control method, but they carry ecological and health risks. The soil-based strategy emerging from Senegal offers a fundamentally different approach, managing pest behavior by changing the nutritional landscape rather than trying to eliminate insects outright. Rethinking pest control from the ground up. This research reframes locust outbreaks as a system-level problem shaped by soil, plants, insects, and human land management. By improving soil health, farmers can simultaneously reduce pest pressure, increase yields, and build more resilient agricultural systems. What began as an ecological insight has now been validated in farmers' fields and may provide a scalable, environmentally safer pathway for managing migratory pests